children, today we are going to do chapter number 2 of the activity book We Love Nature. So the small book is your workbook and we are going to do chapter 2. So let us see part A. There is a passage, children. You have to read the passage first of all and then answer the questions. So I am reading the passage for you. Nature is our friend. It gives us fresh air to breathe. It gives us water to drink and food to eat. It brings the rain and makes beautiful plants grow. Nature has given us trees, mountains, and rivers. It takes care of us. We should take care of it too. We should keep everything around us clean. So this is the passage on nature. Now we will do the fill in the blanks with the help of the words given in the box. So first is nature gives us fresh dash to breathe. So what we need to breathe? Air. So air will be the answer. Nature gives us water to drink. The rain makes plants grow. And the last is we should take care of nature. So in this way we will do part A. Now let us see the next page. Tick the things that we get from nature, that nature has given us. So some things are written here. You will tick only the things those we get from the nature. So the things are air, water, food, trees and rivers. So these things we get from nature. So you will tick only these. Number C is read the words aloud. Now some words are given here. You will read these words, children. The words are very easy, 3-letter words. So you can read them on your own. Now part D says that use the letters in the box to make words. You can use the letters more than once. So some words are given in the box that are double R, double T, double P and double B. So we will use these words to complete the words which are given. First one is done for you, bottle. Then is number 2, mirror. So we will use double R. Number 3 is button. We will use double T. And fourth one is puppet. So double P will come here. And carrot. Next word is carrot. We will use double R. And the last word is rabbit. So double B will be used here. So in this way you will complete part D. Now part E says match the words to the pictures. One side the pictures are there, another side words are there. So we will match them. Like first one is duster, it is done for you. Second we will match eraser with eraser, ruler with a ruler, then is pencil, and last one is a bag. So this way we will complete this page. Now let us see the next one. Next one is the page where some pictures are there. Pictures of nouns. Yes, so all are the nouns here. And it is a scene of a park. So you will use the words from the box and fill the words in the boxes. So number 1 is kite, number 2 is bird, and then is a pond. Then number 4 is ball. You can see a ball. Then number 5 is a man. So man is name of a person. It is also a noun. Next is a pup. And the last one is baby. So children, all these are the naming words, the nouns. Now let us do the last part, part G, where what we have to do, this is very easy. And recently you have done a story also with the picture reading. So it is the same thing. Fill in the blanks with the names of the pictures. Use the words from the key given below. So at the end of the page, the word written with the pictures. So the same thing you have to do. You have to write the words for the pictures. Like first one is done for you. Millie looked through the window. So picture of window is made. We will write window. Into the garden. Here we will write garden in front of the picture of garden. She saw small green bushes with red roses. There were yellow flowers with colorful butterflies on them. White clouds floated in the sky. She could also see a small purple kite up in the sky. Millie was very happy. She could see all the colors of the rainbow. So children, in this way you will complete this page. You will write down the naming words for them. So that is all children. I hope you liked the chapter. Thank you. Bye bye.